If you're trying to connect a laptop or another device to your iPhone's hotspot, but it just won't work, here's how to fix hotspot connection issues. First of all, check if personal hotspot is on. And for that, go to your settings app, then tap on personal hotspot. Here, make sure allow others to join is toggled on. Note your Wi-Fi password from the screen, you will need it on the other device. Next, toggle airplane mode. On your iPhone, open Control Center, then turn airplane mode on for 5 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes your cellular and hotspot connection. After that, restart your iPhone and the device trying to connect. Sometimes a quick reboot solves temporary glitches. Next, use 2.4 GHz hotspot. And for that, toggle on maximize compatibility on your iPhone. This forces your iPhone to use 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz, which helps older devices connect. Then, forget and rejoin network. On the device trying to connect, go to Wi-Fi settings, then tap on your iPhone's hotspot name. Choose forget this network, then try reconnecting and re-enter the password. And if nothing else works, reset network settings. And for that, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on General. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then to reset and choose Reset Network Settings from the options. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.